And that's where it comes our platform or our service, which you just said, okay, I want to have more information about my employees. I get a link, and then as soon as I click the link, it anonymizes my data and my location. So now I'm from Mongolia and my name is Hulk. And then I answer because there is an analysis that shows that 74% of employees are willing to answer things if they are completely anonymized. And that's what our platform is coming for. The key element is that we want to focus in the European market. There has more than 6,000 companies that will need our service. 100 of them in Cyprus and Greece, focusing in a 2.5 million market per year. The key element is the anonymization process. When you go to our platform, you use our VPN automatically, so you will know that it's being anonymized, and then your name just changes. It disappears. So you can really start to engage in the conversation. And are we gonna charge in a freemium model? We're gonna tell the companies, okay, pay us 10,000 euros per year, because if you do this in the right way, you can face a fine of up to 5%. And these are big companies, so instead of paying millions, they can go with us. And the best thing about the freemium is the free part is for governments and NGOs. So we're gonna give our technology for free so they can use it as well. We want to make more than 40,000 euros in the first year, and we plan to work with science so they can introduce us to their private partners. And that's the key of how we're gonna find our go-to-market strategy. The Avengers team, it's here today. With Penelope, she has done initiatives with more than 10,000 people engaging in public policy. And Nikos has created the first Cyprus network for parking, smart parking. And I built the first pop-up store for H&M in Germany. So the team is ready. And I asked him 10,000 euros today so we can build the prototype, launch the product, and for all of you, if you scan this QR code right now, you will get a reward in the next 3 minutes. Thank you very much.
Yeah, maybe you can stand up, Avengers, so everybody can keep seeing you.
Thank you very much for the engaging presentation, Avengers. Superheroes are needed, especially when it comes to privacy. So, my question is, I understand the technology can do anonymization, and then the collection of data is more given by 78% of the employees if it's anonymized. How will you build the trust first? Saying technology says that yes, you can trust me. Do you have any trust building methods that make sure that people believe that their data is anonymized?
There are two elements. You will see directly, and you can even test to see if the IP has changed for you, so the user can immediately know that has changed. And the other, Penelope has developed some methodologies by engaging communities that will be used with employees, so companies can also start to engage with them. So it's technology, but also social engagement.
So just more of a clarity, because as far as I know, Google Forms and MS Forms are also anonymous, but is this, no? The companies have access, they're able to access, yeah? Okay, and you notice that this is a real kind of pain point.
When the Google form start to fill it up, ask your email, then says you that this email will not be recorded, and then you have to submit your email.
But I think you can do an anonymous option.
Yeah, but the cookies already registered that.
So my key question is, what would be your key differentiation between these two? What's your USP?
Remember that we automatically anonymize by, as soon as you enter the platform, you enter through a VPN that changes your location, and it assigns you an avatar, so it changes your name. So when the reply is answered, it's like in a void, it's answered, but from the outside we know that that employee engaged, but we don't know what he answered.
Cost usually, that's my big point. So how much does it cost currently for a company to produce these reports to avoid this 5% fine? What would be their current cost would be? And because yours is €5 per employee, so compare that without your usage. How much does it cost currently for them?
Usually this kind of reports, it costs regarding to 25 up to 50,000 euros, regarding the size of the company and the complexity. This report, it's a part of the ESG. It has to do with compliance with governance inside the company and the society. Usually these reports they have more data regarding the environmental impact assessment in the organizations.
Thank you. So you say that there is already your solution is generating this full report completely, so the company doesn't have to do anything else with that, or you're doing part collection of data anonymized, so it's more honest.
It's a part of the commercial, of the governance inside the company and the society impact.
Thank you.
So walk me through the next 8 months. I know you're thinking of this partnership with Science, which I think is a really great initiative, especially since they've already been engaged here. But what do the next 8 months and this 10K lead to? How do you envision it?
So initially we want to set up the prototype, of course, test it out to the different 200 people, I think it's the first number, just to see what kind of we want to create it as an interactive questionnaire rather than boring, non-interesting tool. So we want to build it up, test it out, get some feedback, see what kind of data we can extract from the different users, then build up the reporting method and see what will be the end result. So these 8 months will be these
Plus marketing activities, presenting plus marketing activities. Marketing activities to communicate this and get the leverage of our partnership with the Science.
I think each of us prioritizes what they're experts on.